It's Christmas decorating season. And I told you guys last week that if you are interested, I'm going to show you how I make awesome garland out of cheap, used, hand-me-down, and even dollar store garlands. So we're going to decorate our swag on our front porch today. But first, I need to go get all the things to make this thing awesome.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, and Santa Claus. Gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time. And we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, cookie dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, Santa's little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, and Santa Claus. Gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner.
I missed one. I forgot. I really like this stuff too. And the great thing is you can save your pruning for Christmas decorations. Okay, so I went ahead and put all my pines in their categories, and I'm going to start working on the garland from the middle out both directions. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, show you how I pick, how I do it. It's totally up to you. You can go really, really big with your garland. You can go modest with how you decorate it. I'm probably somewhere in between. So it smells like Christmas up here on the front porch. It is a good idea to wear gloves because you're going to get sticky. But let's get going. So I grabbed a long piece, a medium piece, next size piece, all different colors. I know this is my center where the pine cones are. I'm going to lay them and take a piece of the garland and just wrap around both directions. You're going to do this a couple times down your garland. So you get a little bit more swag with it and a little bit more life. Okay, and I'm going to go the same direction with the same 3 types of garland just to keep consistency at the head of my porch. Wrap around both directions with your artificial garland and do that a couple times down. that will be the center of my garland. And I'm going to just keep working my way down. I'll do it one more time to show you how I blend it, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product, how it looks. Okay, so I got a few different pieces, some of the honeysuckle vine, some of the cypress and juniper. I'm just going to find where this one ends, and I'm going to start that one right at the end of the other. Okay, this is what the finished product looks like. It would probably fool the average eye and lead people to believe that I spent a fortune on this garland when I did not. Okay, I got Todd here to help me hang it so we can show you what it looks like.
Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend your red nose, or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. Rudolph, my man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yea or nay, now will you pull my sleigh? My boy, now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy.
So I had one little hole I had to fix, but it looks really, really good. So I'm gonna just get, I thought we already had them, but I don't know why we don't. I'm gonna get nails to put in the corner of the banisters, both right here, just to tie it down. Anyway, that looks amazing, doesn't it, for hand-me-down, free, thrifted garland. I still need to do 2 more swags on the side steps, swags on the porch, and a couple wreaths. But that gives you an idea what it's capable of. Christmas magic. Let me know how you make thrifted, free, frugal Christmas decorations, and share them down in the comments below. Hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas season, and we'll talk to you soon.